أيوه.
Okay, Yusuf, he wants you to describe the function, the purpose of the underlined sentence, which is, however, many of the fossil studies have relied on incomplete data sets. The answers we have
A
what?
and B.
Okay, A and B. Okay, I want you to start from the very beginning. You cannot read it, or I can answer it now. We can answer it now, but you need to read before in order to get the context. Genetic studies have
Genetic studies have led researchers to suggest that turtles are most closely related to the group that includes modern crocodiles, but
inshallah
studies of
turtles
fossils,
like crocodiles.
modern crocodiles,
Ah, yes. And here we have what?
but
But it shows
contrast,
what?
contrast.
Contrast. يبقى is he going to confirm or support the idea that turtles are like modern
Mm,
crocodiles?
No,
No, because I have but. Before but, he said that turtles are like crocodiles. يبقى after but, for sure, turtles are not like crocodiles.
yes.
Because it
S-
shows a contrast, but shows a contrast relationship. يبقى what's before but is opposite to what's a
After
after
but
but.
but studies of fossils have suggested instead that turtles are mostly related to other groups, such as
To other groups. Other groups means not a
not crocodile,
bravo, not crocodiles. It turns out to be that they are like what?
snakes.
Snakes. So it's very important. I know this is in writing. Transitions are in writing. I know. But you need to use the writing rules in reading. So before but, he said what? That turtles like what?
Crocodiles.
Crocodiles. Since but shows a contrast relationship, يبقى after what? It's the opposite. When he said
Turtles like
turtles
snakes.
are like what?
Snakes.
Snakes, not what? Crocodiles.
Crocodile.
This is the importance of transitions because they help you understand the relationship between sentences and even between parts of a sentence. But until now, he didn't ask me about those ideas. He wants you to uh, get the function of the underlying sentence. However, many of the
The
of the
fossil
fossil
studies
studies have
have relied
relied
on
on.
incomplete data sets.
Very good. I want you to tell me the function of the main purpose of this sentence. Can you differentiate between A and B? It offers an overview.
Of the tools scientists use to examine fossils.
And number two, it
It
describes.
describes a limitation of some studies about the origin of
Okay,
turtles.
what's the most important word or words in choice A?
Uh, Overview,
Well, this is the most important word. S- Overview. Overview of what?
tools,
Tools. Okay, B. It describes. Huh?
a limitation of some studies.
Very good. Limitations of some studies. Compare them to the sentence. However, many of the fossil studies have relied on incomplete data sets. What do you think the answer is?
B,
Very good. What's wrong with A?
because they're not talking about tools.
Penal tools. No tools in the sentence. at all. But there is what? A limitation. If you match the word limitation, limitation positive or negative?
Negative.
It's negative. If you want to compare limitation to one word in the underlined sentence, what would it be?
Incomplete.
Bravo. Incomplete, which is an adjective. Incomplete equals what? Limitation. There was a problem with the studies that the data sets were what? Incomplete,
Incomplete.
which is considered what?
Negative.
A,
Limitation.
a limitation, a problem with the studies. Okay. Can we go through C? Someone can say, Mister, it criticizes more. If you mention a problem, you are criticizing, which is okay. Widely held belief. Pay attention to the adjective. Was there a widely held belief?
No.
Okay. طب there is another problem. Genetic studies of a
Reptiles.
reptiles. What do you think the problem here is?
Widely held and
What's missing?
reptiles.
We were talking the text.
Turtles.
Turtles, excellent. We need specifically turtles, not crocodiles, because we needed, what's the most repeated word, Hannah?
Turtle.
Very good. Turtles. And the second sentence also what? Turtles. So that's the main word, which is mentioned here. Turtles. Not generally fossils, not generally reptiles, and not only crocodiles.
Crocodile.
The text was mainly concerned with the turtles. So the right answer is B.